Sugaring is one of the most effective and safe ways to remove unwanted body hair. This method is based on the use of a special sugar paste, which has a mild, but at the same time quite strong effect. If you want to learn how to do sugaring yourself, then in this video we will tell you how to use sugar paste correctly. Step 1. Preparation for the procedure. Before starting the procedure, it is necessary to prepare the skin. It should be clean and dry. To do this, you can use a special gel or lotion to cleanse the skin of impurities and excess sebum. It is also worth treating the skin with an antiseptic to prevent the possible appearance of inflammation and irritation. Step 2. Warming up the paste. The sugar paste should be heated to a certain temperature. Usually it is 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. To warm up the paste, you can use a microwave oven or a water bath. At the same time, it is necessary to ensure that the paste does not overheat, as this can lead to skin burns. Step 3. Applying the paste to the skin. After the paste is warmed up, it should be applied to the skin in the direction of hair growth. In this case, a special spatula or spatula should be used. The paste should be applied in a thin layer, not too thick and not too thin. Step 4. Removing the paste. A few seconds after applying the paste to the skin, it needs to be removed. To do this, you can use special paper or fabric. It is necessary to press the paper hard against the skin and abruptly tear it off in the direction opposite to hair growth. Step 5. Completion of the procedure. After the procedure is completed, it is necessary to treat the skin with a special lotion or oil to soothe and moisturize. It is also worth avoiding contact with sunlight on the treated area for several hours after the procedure. In conclusion, it is worth noting that sugaring with sugar paste is one of the safest and most effective ways to remove unwanted body hair. However, to achieve maximum results, it is necessary to use sugar paste correctly and follow all recommendations for its use.